Hey guys, you're watching Texan Fan Wars. Check this out everyone. I hate the new design, it sucks. Skinny Pop Original Popcorn Review. Skinny Pop Original Popcorn deliciously pop, perfectly salted, 3 simple ingredients, no artificial flavors. Net worth 0.5 ounces. Certified gluten-free, non-GMO product, verified whole grain, verified vegan. Nutrition facts: 1 serving per container, serving size 1 package, 70 calories, total fat 5 grams, sodium very fat 0 grams, total fat 0 grams, soy kernel 0 grams, sodium 65 milligrams, carbohydrate 8 grams, dietary fiber 1 gram, total sugar 0 grams, includes 0 grams of added sugars, protein under 1 gram, vitamin D 0, calcium, iron 0.2 milligrams, potassium 25 milligrams. The daily fiber tells you how much a nutrient a serving of food contains today. That 2,000 calories days used for nutritional service. Ingredients: popcorn, sunflower oil, and salt. The Hershey Salty Snacks Company, Hershey, Pennsylvania, 17033 USA. www.skinnypop.com. 833-876-1767. 833-876-7237. Trademarks. The trademarks are owned by Skinny Pop Popcorn LLC. Copyright 2024. Skinny Pop Popcorn LLC. Careful. Popcorn can be choking hazard. Use caution to eat. Not recommended for children under 4. Deliciously pop, perfectly salted. We start with 3 simple high quality grades. A specialized popping technique delivers cup after cup of delightful popcorn. This process gives Skinny Pop rich popcorn is rich flavor and satisfying crunch. 3 simple ingredients, no artificial colors. Whole grain popcorn, no artificial flavors. Popped in a high sunflower, tree nut free, dairy free, peanut free. Alright guys, let's check this review as one. Okay everybody, cheers. Wow. It tastes so good. Let's try it guys again. Everybody, cheers again. Okay, one more time. Cheers! That tastes good everyone. This is the best review I ever taste for popcorn. I like this new design. This sucks. I want an old one! That's right guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Turn on notifications for more videos from Texan Fan Wars, from TFI,